Welcome to Mytharchy Architecture Design Ideas channel. Easter is a time of joy, renewal, and vibrant decorations, but why not take it to the next level with a touch of luxury and sparkle? Adding crystals to your Easter decorations can create a magical, elegant, and sophisticated ambience in your home. Whether you're hosting a festive gathering or simply want to brighten up your space, these dazzling Easter decoration ideas will make your celebration truly unforgettable. In this article, we will explore the best ways to incorporate crystals into your Easter decor, ensuring your home shines with elegance and festivity. Instead of traditional painted eggs, consider decorating them with sparkling rhinestones, Swarovski crystals, or delicate glass beads. You can glue these embellishments onto eggs in intricate patterns or cover them entirely for a glamorous effect. Arrange them in a crystal bowl or decorative nest to create a stunning centerpiece for your dining table or living room. Transform a simple branch arrangement into a breathtaking Easter tree by hanging crystal-adorned eggs, bunnies, and butterflies. Adding fairy lights will enhance the shimmer and create a magical atmosphere. Opt for a pastel or gold-silver color scheme to maintain a chic and elegant look that complements the sparkle of the crystals. A bunny figurine decorated with shimmering crystals makes an eye-catching centerpiece. Place it on a decorative tray surrounded by soft flowers like tulips, lilac, or cherry blossoms for a refined and sophisticated touch. To elevate the design, consider adding a mirrored base or scattered crystal beads around the display. Candle holders wrapped in crystal beads or rhinestone chains add a touch of luxury to any Easter celebration. Pair them with soft-colored candles like blush pink, lavender, or ivory to create a warm and inviting ambience. When lit, the reflections of the crystals will cast a mesmerizing glow, perfect for an elegant dinner setting. Take your floral decor to the next level by incorporating crystal stems or bead accents into your flower arrangements. Place these flowers in a clear glass vase filled with crushed glass or shimmering decorative fillers. Adding a few LED lights inside the vase will further enhance the sparkle, making your Easter table a true showstopper. Greet guests with a stunning Easter wreath adorned with white flowers, decorative eggs, and sparkling crystals. Using a white or gold wreath base will add a luxurious touch, while fairy lights intertwined with the wreath will create a warm and inviting glow for your entryway or living room. Enhance your Easter dining experience with a sophisticated table setting featuring crystal glassware, napkin rings adorned with rhinestones, and sparkling placemats. Use a soft pastel or metallic color palette to complement the crystal decorations. To complete the look, place a small crystal-embellished egg on each plate as a charming and luxurious touch. Create a stunning Easter nest filled with crystal-embellished eggs, golden twigs, and delicate pearl accents. Place it on a mirrored tray to enhance the sparkle. Place LED lights inside translucent eggs filled with crystals or glass beads. These glowing eggs can be arranged in a decorative bowl or along pathways for a magical ambience. Wrap Easter gifts in elegant boxes decorated with crystal embellishments, satin ribbons, and gold accents. This adds an extra layer of sophistication to gift-giving during Easter. Make this Easter truly unforgettable by adding the sparkle of crystals to your decor. Whether you're designing a glamorous centerpiece, an elegant Easter tree, or a shimmering table setting, these ideas will elevate your celebration with style and sophistication. Crystals bring a unique blend of charm, elegance, and festive brilliance, making every corner of your home shine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more dazzling decoration ideas. Let your creativity sparkle this Easter and transform your home into a magical wonderland.